Hello, my name is Clifford, and today I'm going to be showing you a website called Mboum.com. It's a free market analysis website. So it has a screener that shows you a lot of information about the market. For example, you can see the oversold stocks, stocks with upcoming earnings, overbought stocks. The left hand side here, you have the insider trading activities, market movers, news. Let's just go over the screener briefly. Um, so on the screener, it has a lot of filters that you can use to filter out the markets to find whatever criteria you're looking for. This would be good to find trade opportunities and stuff. But this video will be mainly to go over the APIs that they provide, which is free. So if you click over there, you can check out the live quotes, options, mutual funds, and ETFs, market movers, financial statements, institutional and insider ownerships, earnings and disclosure, the company profile, technical analysis, ratings and recommendations. So let's check out a few of the API endpoints. So if you go on the quotes API, as you can see, you can have multiple symbols. Symbol, my funky accent. You can have as many as 50 symbols. So if you click on that, you have a lot of information that it gives you for each symbol that you query. So you have the bid and asking price, the book value, the EPS forward, the market cap, the name, the price hint, price per book. So yeah, it shows you it has a lot of information in there. And here is the most watch symbols, the top gainers, mutual funds, ETFs, options data is provided for free as well. Profile, so profile just shows you the name of the company, address, phone number, and a brief summary of what that company is all about. um, Historic data and financial statements. So I recommend you just go over each API endpoints and figure out what you like, what you want to use. It's free. You just need to sign up to get your to obtain a free API key, and then you can start querying live information. So I hope you found this helpful. So